So now, this one our industrial solar light. Suntrick new view. Now be all this particular solar light where you see here. So we don't first show now the front light. We first show the front light before. This one are the industrial 1300 watt floodlight. Suntrick new view floodlight. This one they carry 40 watt panel. You don't see as all of them big. All this one are industrial lights. Now you go to see. Under you go see Suntrick new view there. So this particular light now be where you know the land. They will have fresh goods. What you know the land do they sell for 150,000. But now don't drop the price for only 135,000. If you buy many from 5, you'll come down small price, more discounts for you. So this one where they here now. So now another set of the industrial lights, including this one. This one are now 400 watt original gauge industrial watt. 400 watt. This one will sell for before 120, and now only 110,000. Then we'll get the small one of them. This one are the big one. See the small one of them. We carry 9 lens. This one now carry 12 lens. So this particular carry 9 lens now will sell for 98,000 naira for your fine hotel, your compound, your church, your all the area where you need them. But inside your duplex, this one is very, very beautiful and very powerful inside your compound. So this one is 98,000 naira. This one also the 400 watts, 105,000. Then the 300 watt of them, 98,000 are also industrial lights. We will show you more of them for inside. So this one now the Odinga, this one is no. This particular one now be Odogu Dimpa. So this particular light, we'll get the bigger one of it, we'll get the smaller one of it. This particular one here is actually sold for only 130,000. The big one of it is sold for 150,000 naira. With this one in the afternoon, everywhere go bright for your house, in the compound, everywhere. You will see everything. Notice as I on and small, so it don't on small. So once you see so you go see it get all the bar here. And this part you carry original lithium remains inside them. Even if it's rain fall for complete 5 days, this thing no go run down. You go on, you go carry you they go. Now before particular light now. So now be their prices. We'll get different ones. So later we will show you more of them. Now let's come to our different solar panel. We will still go show the solar panel warehouse. But this one now by official Suntrick and Jinko by official solar panel. What I tell you, I say they carry cell for the front and the back. You can see here now, so you carry all the cell for the back, you carry the cells for the front. So you get them for Longi, we get them for Suntrick. Suntrick by official 650 solar panel with a cell for 150,000 naira. We get the 751, 180,000 by official panel where they charge front and back. What I tell you, so they design them for a better efficiency in charging setups. So we also get the Jinko. Jinko is 160,000 naira for the 650 watt. We get Jinko 590 watt for 150,000 naira. We get a Longi. We get Longi 650 watt for 150,000 naira. We get Longi 550 watt for 145,000 naira. We get many of them for this particular panel. So when we go panel warehouse, we will show you more of different kind of panels who they get. This one also Suntrick 650 watt black flame. All this black flame panel, most of them they charge even when they drop. All this early morning they don't take charge. This particular one now they sell for 150,000 naira. And many of them. So when we go panel warehouse, we will show you more of all our panels we have got for you. Now, bear with me. Let's get into solar panel warehouse. Thank you.